A real quick tutorial on how to get a QR code for your classroom. I actually use QR Stuff, but I pay for it because it only allows like 50 downloads a month. And so this is an alternative if you're just doing it for your class and you aren't worried about having a whole lot of people hit this link. Okay, so you're going to go to the Chrome Web Store. You can just Google that. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, you're going to search for QR code generator. Once you find that, and it has this little emblem here, you're going to do Add to Chrome, Add extension. It's going to pop up here. If it goes away, just click on that little puzzle piece. Your extensions are going to open up, and then here where it says QR code generator, you just click that little pin, and then it'll pin it to the top. Okay, and so now once I click on that image, as you can see, it's asking me for some type of link. And so whatever you're wanting to share, whatever you're wanting to make into a QR code, you're going to drag that into Google, into your Google Drive if it's not already there, and you're going to grab that link. And so let's just say you have a presentation that you want to share with your parents. And so right now it's private only to me. So you're going to go find that resource or that item that you're wanting to share, and you're going to click on the share button. And then you're going to where it says get link restricted, you're going to click on that little blue link that says change to anyone with a link. And so now it's anyone with a link can view. And so we're going to copy that link, and then we can click done. And then we're going to go back to our code generator, and we're going to paste that link into that box. Once that's done, you can click download, and it's going to download to your download folder. Once it's in your download folder, all you have to do is drag it onto a sheet of paper, onto whatever you want, to give to your parents. So that whenever they scan it, they're going to be brought to whatever item that you want them to see. Always check it to make sure. I always use my phone and just make sure my QR code worked. If you have any questions, you can email me.